Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Julia.
Hello.
Julia is from my a cappella group, just like many people that have been on this show. What a surprise. If you couldn't tell, she's a beatboxer. It's been a little while since I've seen her because she was just in Italy.
Yay.
How was Italy?
Italy was awesome. It's just beautiful. It's really old. It's filled with tourists.
That sounds like the not awesome part though.
No, no.
Did you have a particular favorite place that you visited?
Ooh. Well, I lived in Florence, but my favorite place I visited was Lake Como. It's this really beautiful lake, surrounded by mountains.
If you happen to have that footage, can you send it to me and I will splice it in?
Yeah.
Right here. Alright, we'll find out later if that's actually getting spliced in or not. Being in Italy, did that change the kinds of things you like drinking?
So when I moved to Italy, I was 20, but I was a legal drinker out there. I went to bars for the first time and had actual cocktails from bars. I definitely started drinking a lot more wine. Italian red wine is very good.
Oh, what a surprise.
Yeah, learning that was fun. But cocktails are still my favorite drink.
I'm sure the wine that's here
is not as good. Yeah, probably not.
So you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Awesome, let's go. After all this talk about Italy, I'm going to grab these tomatoes right off the bat, and right under them are the eggs. I contemplated using this pasta, but there's just a little bit too much unknown there. Gonna also grab this almond milk, grab some Aunt Jemima, and not grab this ice that's hiding in the pantry. As much as I love ice, it just doesn't feel like it'll fit with the drink I'm deciding to make. Over here by the clean, dry dishes is some gin, got some Seagrams and some beef eater, and we're gonna go with beef eater this time, with this wine. Julia took my seat, so I'm going to kick her out, and then crack open an egg, use some lime juice from concentrate, because today I just don't feel like juicing some regular limes. The almond milk's going to add some smoothness and creaminess, Aunt Jemima's going to add a touch of sweetness, the gin's going to add the botanicals and the booze. So when you're using egg white or muddling, I highly suggest putting the egg white and the muddled ingredients in a separate tin so that if anything screws up, you only have to throw away either the solids or the liquids, rather than both. We're going to dry shake it, grab some ice, give that a shake, give that a taste, make sure it tastes okay. Double strain that. Finally, check if this wine is okay. Should have done that first, honestly. I want to float the red wine, so I'm going to very slowly let it trickle down the bar spoon. And now we've got an almost perfectly layered 3-color drink. Let's see what Julia thinks. Here we go.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Across this way.
Ooh. Ooh. I like this.
Yeah.
I have been watching your show, so I'm gonna guess there's some sort of jelly or jam, and I'm gonna guess this foam is egg white. I just moved here, so I don't really know what's in the kitchen yet.
Oh, that means this game's even harder then.
So it's even harder. Smell.
Do you smell anything weird?
I feel like there's an herb in there. I know that I threw away all my basil. There's definitely some alcohol in there. It kind of tastes like wine. Something like a fresh. Oh, is there tomato?
You guessed some egg white, some wine, liquor of some sort, jam, and possibly tomato. You ready to find out if you're right or not?
Yeah.
Cool. This drink is based off the New York Sour. The New York Sour is usually a whiskey sour with a float of red wine. Obviously, you got the red wine. This, who knows how old, Cabernet Sauvignon.
I don't know.
I gave it a quick smell. It didn't smell like it was turning. Honestly, being in a college place, this is probably at least a week old, but it smells like it's okay, especially when mixed with all these other ingredients, especially since there's other acidic components in there. Speaking of acidic components, like I said, this is based off the New York Sour, but it's a gin gimlet crossed with a New York Sour. Surprise, there's gin. Easy enough said. And the citrus component was real lime
I should have guessed
juice.
that.
You actually do have real limes.
We do have fresh limes.
But, I figured I've used enough fresh limes because somehow everybody suddenly has them. This stuff is actually pretty good, especially if you're not able to keep actual limes in your apartment or house or fridge or whatever. Fun fact, don't store limes in the fridge.
What?
They will brown faster because cold air damages the cells a little bit faster. That's why limes grow on trees in the temperate climates, not in Antarctica.
Interesting.
I actually only recently learned that's a bad thing to do. The box literally says, do not store below 40 degrees. We got the main alcohols, we got the citrus, there's a little sweet in there. It's not the standard simple syrup that would be in a gimlet, it's Aunt Jemima.
Oh.
everybody's favorite ant. I'm sorry to all my ants that I have. That might contribute to that almost fruitiness because there's actually like there are no jams or jellies in this thing.
Oh wow!
Well, there's technically a fruit. Before we get to that part, there are 2 creamy factors in this. One of them is the egg. I'm not going to bring that box out because what if I drop it and you suddenly lose all your eggs? There's another somewhat creamy component there that gives it that frothy texture. Almond milk.
Whoa.
Yeah, so there's no fruit, well, there's no jelly or jam in there like I usually do. I guess you could say there was a fruit in there. I hate when people guess the weird ingredient because that makes this part less fun. Grape tomatoes.
Wow.
Wow, you seem so shocked. I don't like tomatoes, but tomatoes just have a nice robust flavor. I was thinking, Italy. What's more Italian than pasta? What's more pasta than pasta sauce? What's more pasta sauce than tomatoes? What's more tomatoes than tomatoes? Who says tomatoes? You already knew that tomatoes were in there, so I can't even ask you if it changes your opinion on how the drink was.
It wasn't confirmed until now, and knowing that, I mean, I still like it.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. Can I also just say I love that this matches my outfit?
Oh yeah! Oh my god. So guys, that's Julia's kitchen drink where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye! I can never do that. Yeah. Oh, it's been a while since I've... Yeah.